Okay guys, I'm so excited because it's my favorite time of year at work here. It is time for open house. People ask for it all year long. We've been doing it for years and it's finally here and it's kind of my baby. Like I work really hard on it and I'm excited for all of you guys to share in like this adventure and event that we're doing. So it's virtual. So it's good that you're on here right now because this is kind of what it's going to be like for the event, right? So you're going to follow us on Instagram, and if you're following us, then you're going to get notified when we're live, which is going to be this coming Thursday, May 5th at 4 o'clock. Okay, so May 5th at 4 o'clock. You're going to get notified if you're following us. We'll be live. We're going to be talking about all your favorite treatments and procedures that we do here in the office. And coupled with all the things we're talking about, we're going to be offering specials on almost every single thing that we do here in the office. Like there's going to be 20% off products, all skincare products. We're going to have specials on toxins and fillers and lasers. So really everything that you're interested in cosmetically here in the office, we're going to probably have a special on, okay? How do you buy these things? Okay, you can call our office all day on the 5th. Or you can go onto our website, and I can show you that real quick here. On our website, this isn't live right now, so you can't do it yet, but it's gonna look like this. You're gonna click on our homepage, which is here, and then it'll take you to the products you see right here. It's 20% off all skincare products, and then it just goes through each of the things that you can buy. Then when you decide you want to buy something, you're going to click on it. It's going to take you to a shopping cart, and then you're going to choose what you want to get, right? In this case, it's Botox, and you have to buy it in either 100 units or 200 unit increments. It might seem like a lot, but for this open house, I want you to be thinking about what you might be using in our office all year long, right? So toxin, maybe you come 3 times a year, maybe you come 4 times a year. Do you get 20 units? Do you get 30 units? Do you get 40 units? Do you get 60 units like I do? Add all that up. You can buy 100 units and you can use it all year. You can buy 200 units and use it all year. So that's one thing. Filler, how many times a year do you come for filler, and how many syringes do you get per time you come? So think about all those things. Now, I think one of the most exciting things for people when they're watching the open house is that historically we've given away amazing raffle prizes, and your odds are pretty darn good of winning something, because even though a lot of people watch, in the grand scheme of things, for the number of winners that we have and the number of people watching, your odds are really, really good. We're going to be giving away over $22,000 worth of gifts this year. You don't have to buy anything to get one either. All you have to do is you have to watch on May 5th at 4 o'clock. You're going to hear and listen for beauty passwords, which we're going to put up onto a screen. You're going to see the beauty password and you're going to write it down, collect those beauty passwords. And then you're going to, after the show's over or even during the show, there's going to be a button on our homepage that says, it'll probably be right under here under the 20% off products, that says, click here to enter your raffles. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, okay? There's 7 pages of raffle prizes. Look at this. We're going to be giving away 2 cool sculpting cycles, How Rich Lash, Restylane Kiss, Juvederm. I mean, that's page 1. Loading page 5 here. We've got a photo finder. We've got CLN hair care products. We've got Diamond Glow and sunscreen. So you're going to decide what it is that you want to bid on, right? Let's say you want the cool sculpting. You could put all of your beauty passwords that you collect, all of them, into cool sculpting, or you could, I want to put some in Botox, I want to put some in Jeuveau, I want to put some in, the L to MD gift basket that they have. You decide, okay? So it's super fun. You've got really good odds of winning, and we've got great prizes, over $22,000 worth. So I covered what is the virtual open house. We're going to be talking about different treatments and procedures. We're going to be offering specials at the same time. How do you buy them? You can go to our website. You can call us, okay? If you buy products, we can ship them to you, or we can have them ready here for pickup. If you buy treatments, then they will go into your account if you're a patient with us. If you're not a patient with us, that does make it a little bit more complicated. You probably should get set up as a patient with us now so that you can, we have a place to put those things that you buy. And then you're gonna watch, you're gonna learn, you're gonna buy whatever you're interested in for the whole year, right? And then we've got these beauty passwords that you can collect and win awesome prizes. And it's really fun and informative. And I gotta tell you, we've got people that they look forward to it not only for the specials, but also because it's a good sense of the personality of the practice. You get to meet different providers that maybe you haven't met before. You get to learn about different treatments and procedures. And on that subject, we're not completely done and set on what we're presenting. So if there's something that you're really interested in learning about, shoot us a message right now and let us know what that is, and we can probably add it into our program, okay? I really hope that you join us. Mark your calendar now, get it on that Google Calendar or Apple Calendar or whatever you got, so that you remember to join us on May 5th at 4 o'clock virtually on Instagram at NBDPS. Thanks.